MIX, which is developed by UNICEF and implemented by NBS, provides data on child mortality, health, nutrition, child and social protections, sanitation and hygiene, while NIX assesses vaccination coverage provided through health systems.
Sustainable Development Goals SDG, with over 20% of the indicators required for tracking the SDG being sourced from these big surveys. On the survey itself, this round is particularly interesting and fascinating. This is the first time that the survey will be conducted since the advent of COVID-19 in Nigeria.
Today's event marks yet another milestone in the annals of our history on the collective efforts towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals in Nigeria by the year 2030. Let me at the outset state that the 2021 Multiple Indicator Cluster Survey and the National Immunization Coverage Survey has its main focus on the household, major attention on social development and household information, including the well-being as well as inclusive growth of women and children.
Vice President Yemi Osinbajo was represented by the Minister of Finance, Budget and National Planning, Zainab Ahmed.
These two reports will continue to serve as a major source of data in establishing the baseline for measuring progress on the 2030 Sustainable Development Agenda, focusing on key relevant indicators across several sectors. It is significant also to note that since the conduct of the last multiple indicator survey and the National Immunization Coverage Survey in 2016 and 2017, which is a 5-year survey, concerted efforts have been made by the current administration of President Muhammadu Buhari to address the data gaps reported in the 2016-2017 report, which has led to massive investments in the healthcare sector, with particular emphasis on primary healthcare delivery and immunization coverage. The education sector also is not left behind. Unfortunately, the outbreak of the deadly coronavirus and its different variants in 2020 led to some slowdown of socio-economic activities across the globe, including in Nigeria. However, the government of Nigeria continued contain the impact of the negative impact of the pandemic by proactively putting in place necessary measures to address the severity of the COVID-19 pandemic.
The survey, stakeholders believe, will help government plan better for policies captured in the affected areas. Chamun Dabeng, Trust TV News, Abuja.